Have you ever been in the supermarket, in the oil aisle, picked up some oil that you saw that said ginger oil and wondered, how does this work? Wonder no more. I am here to answer those questions for you with easy, simple recipes. So all you gotta do is sit back, relax, and whip it up with Fresh Fri Ginger. In this first episode of Whipping It Up with Fresh Fri Ginger, I'm gonna be whipping up some tin foil fish fillet. Let's do it. Take the foil, throw those fillets, drizzle that fresh fried ginger oil, then go ahead and add your spices. Massage it like you would with any piece of meat. Then add in your herbs, add in the lemon, cover the ting, pop it in the oven, bake it. I need you to come a little bit closer. Let me tell you a secret. Best way to use the fresh fried ginger oil? Put it in your white meat, put it in your salad dressing, saute some vegetables with it. That's the best way to be able to taste it. Don't add it to your stews. It will definitely get lost in the taste. Now back to what we're baking. "14 minutes, 180-degree oven, and it's ready. Time to serve. Time to enjoy all that fresh fried ginger all up in that fish fillet. And with that being said, I want to hear from you though. Are you going to be grabbing yourself some fresh fried ginger oil? All you got to do is leave it in the comment section below. While you do that, let me just try out some of this fish. Tender, moist, flavorful, spicy. Woo! I love me a baddie. Stay eating delicious and keep whipping it up with Fresh Fri Ginger.